In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply contact lists in Freshsales Suite. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will know how to switch between contact lists, choose the right view, and refine what you see using filters so you can focus on the exact contacts you need. Start by looking at the left-hand sidebar in Freshsales Suite. Find and click the Contacts icon. This takes you to the main contacts area, where your contact records are displayed in a list. If you are not seeing the contacts you expected, do not worry. Freshsales often opens to the last view you used, and we are about to select the list you want. Next, move to the top left of the screen. You will see the Views drop-down, which commonly shows a label like All Contacts. Click that drop-down to open the available contact lists. Think of views as saved lists that control which contacts appear on your screen based on preset rules or selections. In the drop-down, you will see sections for default views and custom views. Default views are the standard lists provided in the system. Custom views are ones your team has created to match specific workflows, like targeting certain stages, owners, regions, or segments. Click the view that matches what you are trying to work on. As soon as you select it, the contact list refreshes to show only the contacts included in that view. If you want to narrow the list even more, use the Filter tool. Go to the top right of the contacts list and click the filter icon, which looks like a funnel. A filtering panel will open, where you can set conditions to refine your results. Choose the conditions that fit your goal, such as matching a specific field value or limiting results based on criteria used in your workspace. Take a moment to review your conditions for accuracy, because small changes can significantly affect the results. When your filter conditions are set, click Apply. The list will update again, showing only the contacts that match both the view you selected and the filters you applied. This is a reliable way to focus your outreach, clean up your working list, or prepare a targeted set of contacts for your next task. That covers everything you need to know.